Exhale. Release. Tumba. Relax and good. Tumba. Relax and good. Okay. Inhale. Exhale. Okay.
Hi po, I'm Rolem, your therapist. This is Sir Junix and his wife, one of the owners sa Tajos Beach Resort, Santa Cruz. I-visit ko nila because they feel so exhausted na po sa business and din sa ilang mga career. First of all, una na ko ang adjustment sa ilang lawas so that mo lose ang tension sa mga joints and then to feel instant relaxation sa therapy.
Ikaw na yan?
And then mo
Release na
proceed
yan?
na mi karon sa massage, sa Swedish massage and then blade massage o uban pa mga therapy na dapat i-apply kay sir in order to relax sa iyang body.
Exhale ka na. Good. One more. Release. Oh. Oh. Yes.
After few adjustment and stretching and then the ventosa, finalize na ako si sir sa back stretching so that ma-feeling niya relaxation. So nakita ninyo na grabe na ka-relax si sir and happy kay siya sa outcome sa therapy.
Thank you. Relax. Okay. Okay. Release. Relax. Exhale. Bigaya na dyan na?
Last time nga, every month ni nauna ka nag-visit eh.
Release. Tumba. Relax and good. Tumba. Relax and good. Okay. Release naman. Good. Grabe. Inhale. Exhale. Okay.
Thank you for visiting me, ma'am, sir. And then, mo balik-balik mo. And one of the couple goals is nahitabo na po. Thank you. Bye!